is up, guys? Yo,
Don't look!
am I in the frame? Alright, we are heading to somewhere. It was my birthday like 3 days ago.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So this weekend, Marco planned something for us. So we're heading there right now. I don't know what it is. It's apparently it's a surprise. This whole day is a surprise. So not sure what it is. All she said was to bring some swimsuits and some stuff. So that's all I know. We're heading there right now. Let's find out what it is. I'm excited.
Are you?
Not really, because I don't know what it is. I don't know how to be excited about something I'm not sure of. So I'm excited. I'm excited of what it might be, but I'm not excited about what it is. If that makes sense. All right, let's head there and find out. Okay, so we're here right now. Apparently, we're gonna do motor paragliding. Don't really know what that is. It's one of these. It's one of those. Kind of fun fact though, me and Marco has been in this activity, all of this kind of bucket list kind of things that you would want to do. We've been kind of searching for stuff to do around outside of Tokyo. Right now, it's not the best idea, probably. But we do always check our temperature before we leave the house and all of that. So we try to keep it as safe as possible. We always wear a mask. Well, not right now, but no one's around. But yeah, just you never know what's gonna happen. So live your life. I think that's the message that I'm trying to give you guys. Yeah. Alright, let's check out the place, and then I guess we're gonna have to change. I don't know though. Paragliding. Looks like it's gonna be on water. Okay, I gotta go. We have arrived at the jumping place. I think we're at the right place. Look, paragliders, surfers. Okay, we gotta go. To go next, all set up. Motor paragliding. Shit.
Why shit?
I hate heights.
I know.
Oh fuck. Alright, I'm next. Fun fact, I'm holding this GoPro with nothing else, just my hands. If I drop this,
しいあれ買って